got coconut bread and hats here. We're down in Lynn Community Centre. Look at all these lovely people and lovely ladies here. Their stalls. Come on down and see what you can snatch or grab. And this is really, we're back again. 2026 this time. Last year we were here. Look at all these beautiful things. Ah, lovely. Look at all this. Aren't they beautiful? Come on, look at the vibe down here. New Lynn Community Centre. Hello. Look at all these beautiful things everyone has here. Oh, what are these, love? They're
like trinket trays where you can hold your jewellery.
Oh, pretty.
Trinkets.
Ah, that's lovely. Look at this young lady here sewing these beautiful things. Come on down. You got Poco. Oh, look at these beautiful cards. Oh, lovely. $2 each. Nice. Oh, and here we have some beautiful new weighing crafts here. Isn't that lovely? Beautiful. Yes. Come on down. Look at this. This is Aggie's. Beautiful stuff here. Love the key rings. Bags. Beautiful. Oh, and we have some lovely coconut. Oh, homemade bread. Wow, that looks lovely. Is that it?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, okay.
It's just homemade bread, is it? No. Oh, lovely. Oh, that's yum. That's tasty. I'll come back.
Okay.
I just want to film and then put it on so people can see. Lovely, yummy bread here. Yum. Homemade bread. Donuts. Oh, and sliced bread for $1. Lovely. Thank you. And look at all these. Wow. Wouldn't you like to have some of these? Woo! Celebrating. Oh, look at the vibes. Look at everyone. Lovely. Beautiful. Did you make these?
Pardon?
Did you make them?
We designed them, but we got them made.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah. To hear that they designed them, but they got them made. That's lovely. Our culture is great for our children. Beautiful. That's lovely. I'm just going to put it on so people can see and come on down. That's lovely. That's, yeah. I love how you got the actual tattoo on them.
Yeah.
That's one.
This one?
Yeah,
So
you know how they're...
Once we've finished the whole collection, like with all the Pacific Islands in it,
Yes.
then his whole face will be done.
Oh, wow.
So beginning, whole face is that end.
Oh, that's beautiful, sweetheart. That is lovely. Ah, and what's this? What are you called? Is this a business?
Yeah, it's called Mahana Collections.
Oh, and how long have you been doing this for? Creating these beautiful
Since
pieces?
last year?
Since last year. Were you here last year?
No.
Oh, okay. It's good to see you here anyway. Okay. Oh. Wow, look at that. Yeah. Scrunchies. Hello. Good. You guys good?
Yeah, we
Oh, you're beautiful and colourful. Yes. And what are you guys called? You're noble woman? Oh, that's lovely. Proverbs 31. Look at that. That's beautiful.
starting on the noble.
You're just starting? This your first year?
Especially at this market.
Yes. But you've done other markets? Oh,
But under a different name.
okay.
Office element.
It's beautiful. I wish you guys Good luck for
Thank you. God bless.
Jenny. Thank you. Oh, thank you. I'll take those. Lovely. Oh, what do we have here? Look at those. Do you guys want some pearls? Look at these beautiful pearls. They look like they're from Tahiti. Are they Rarotongan?
Yes, yeah. That's the only place I swim.
Tahitian pearls. There you go. Tahitian
So she's
pearls.
always on the seawater. Tell her, this
Oh. Ah, look at the oils here. Come back and grab some. Beautiful. And these guys here, these guys along here, they're washing all the dishes. And so if you're eating, then you wash your dishes. They can wash. Oh, I might go right across and capture. Oh, look at this. DJ. Wow, beautiful mats. Beautiful mats. Yes. Look at those. Lovely. That's jewelry box. Wow. Yay, beautiful. Look at that. Jewelry box. Beautiful jewelry box.
You have to grab one before it's all.
Oh yeah, beautiful pieces.
We got it from a closing down sales shop.
Oh yes.
Yeah, and they said it's from Papua New Guinea, but I think it's from somewhere else.
Okay.
Yeah, but
All
they
right.
are good. They are
Wow, but they look good.
good. Yes. Yeah.
Wow, beautiful. I love the flowers. I love this. Beautiful. Oh, your bags are beautiful.
Yes, and those bags there.
Are there bags there? Oh, I'm just putting it on. These fans here and these bags. Look at these. Oh, wow. $30 for a bag. Beautiful designs. Look at this. That's lovely. Get some new t-shirts here. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, lovely. They're pretty. Hi. Hi. They're beautiful, eh? I can see that.
They're all my designs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well done. Aren't you clever? Beautiful. Yes. I love them.
I'll be in the other Sealy one.
Okay. You're at the Avasali market.
Oh, it's I think they've got a showcase coming up.
Okay.
And then there's the TMK showcase. And then there's a toy one apparently.
Oh yes, the toy one's next month. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're going to be there?
I'm probably trying to get to all of them.
Okay, that's great. They're nice, eh, Kaz? Oh, different. Really
It'll
good.
be more of a range. It's not like it's difficult.
That is really nice. Oh well, here we are. See Niue. Yeah, yeah. Girls can wear that colour. Look at these. Oh, yeah. Look at these Niue t-shirts. Niue people, look at these Niue t-shirts down here in Newland. Come on down tonight. We want to get some for your grandchildren. I'm just putting it on my feed so you can get some.
Okay.
I had some people come down after I did a live feed last year. Ah, beautiful t-shirts. Look at that for Niue people. Yeah, I got the map on it. Did you ask him? Oh. Isn't this guy clever, eh? Is he?
A big boy.
Oh, eh?
Grandson's a big boy.
Okay. Alright, here we are. I know it's a bit cold, but you can come on down. See what you can find here. Woo! Niue. Look at this t-shirt. Come on, you Niue people. Lovely. Lovely Niue t-shirt. Niue, the rock of Polynesia. Anyway. Yep. Here we are. Down here in New Lynn Community Centre. Lamb curry rice. Lamb curry rice. It's lamb curry rice here for $8. Lamb curry rice if you want some. Ooh, look at these. Oh my gosh. Another new way. New way. Hi love, how are you? Aren't these beautiful? Yeah, these are beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful for gifts.
Yes, absolutely.
Oh.
So you can buy the drinkware individually. We've got a lot more on our website.
Okay.
I just brought some gift sets because people tend to like
Oh. And who are you?
Island
Island Dice, New Zealand, Pacifica. There you go. Look at these beautiful gifts if you want for your... I'm just going to put it on and people will see
thank
it.
you so
Have a
much.
live feed, yeah. I've got a lot of people that follow, so once I do the video, then I'll put it on for them to come out. Yeah. Come on down. I know it's cold, but you know, you won't see these beautiful things again. I don't know where they'll be next time. Oh, see these oils. Herbal A. Beautiful. What's this? Hey, how are you? Beautiful. Look at these presents. Look at these designs. I like that. I know. Yeah. Did you paint that? Aren't you clever? That's beautiful. Good on you. I'm just going to put a live feed on so we can get more people coming down. There's some more food over there. Oh, curry. Oh, yes. Look at this curry food here. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yummy, yummy, yum. Yummy, yum. Seafood chowder and panikeke. Yes. Come on down. You're going to get some seafood chowder panikeke for $7. And that's it. Here we go. Yummy, fresh. Fresh. Fresh and yummy. Yeah, look. Yeah, they're making it. Filming it. There you go, down here. Look at all these earrings. Going getting everybody. Then I'm going to go and watch the floor show. Right. Yeah, it'll be on soon. It was on 7 o'clock last time, or 6. Oh, 6 o'clock. You remember, we went to watch it.
Yeah, that's right.
There we go. And that is us down here in Lynn Mall. I mean, New Lynn Community Centre. Yep, that's us. Good to see you. So sad.
Are you here to...
My sister here, and she called me, so I thought I'd better come down.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I was here last year, but I'm waiting to go and see the floor show. There will be a floor show on, and I'm waiting to go. Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Okay. See you tonight. Yes. Come on down. New Lynn Community Centre. All right.